Alright guys, welcome back. Here is the October update for the S2000, where I think we're just about there. So, like I said, there were 3 things that we needed to get done: bodywork, ABS, SRS, and I think we're just about there. So I'll give you a walk around the car here in a second, but most of the bodywork is functionally done. It's not perfect, it's not complete, it's not the way I would send it off to paint, but it's good enough for the inspection, or so I think, and we will go from there. Alright guys, so here we are back in the car. Give you some more updates aside from the bodywork. So basically what we're looking at is the car does run now, so I can go ahead and start it up. I'll give you a start here in a moment, but no check engine lights, no ABS lights, no SRS lights. If you have any questions about the ABS and SRS, check out my other video. Kind of a quick overview. If you want me to go a little more in detail, shoot me a message, let me know. Maybe I'll make a little bit longer video, a little more specifics, but pretty quick process, pretty simple. I also knocked out a couple of check engine lights, missing O2 sensors. So installed 2 Denso O2 sensors, probably one of the brands that I generally go with when it comes to automotive electronics, but there we go. So here we go. Alright guys, well that should just about wrap up my October update. So here it is. Starting to check off a lot of these boxes though. The bodywork is done, ABS and SRS lights are done. So like I said, we're almost there. We're almost at the point where I can get the car inspected and get it titled and get it on the road, and we can do more. So I won't be handcuffed to just filming here in the garage. I know you guys are probably sick of sitting me sitting here and talking to you guys, but that's all I can do for now. So once this process is done, I want to do a bigger outline, a bigger overview of everything I went through, and whether it was difficult, was it worth it. Honestly, with this car, I think it's definitely worth it, but you know, what kind of time and money are we looking at to get this done? So well, I appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned for more content, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.